Why chase capital when capital can find you? The ASMX is transforming how companies raise money and how investors discover opportunity. By connecting issuers, investors, advisors, and capital markets professionals in one dynamic ecosystem, the ASMX creates faster connections, broader visibility, and greater access to deal flow. A primary and secondary market for institutional-grade private debt, built on transparency and technical precision. At the heart of the exchange is the ASMX debt capital market, where established companies raise capital through debt securities secured to the real assets of an existing business. For investors, that means a competitive yield and a fixed rate of return over a defined term, with the added safety of securitized principal. Listings span more than 30 industries, and access is reserved for accredited and qualified investors. Companies submit their debt issuance for institutional-grade review. Our team performs rigorous due diligence, verifying the collateral and the offering. Verified debt securities are listed, then traded through a secure, high-speed platform. Capital for issuers, liquidity for holders, secured yield for investors. No upfront application or listing fees. For emerging companies, you keep your capital where it belongs, in your business. Proven momentum. ASMX management facilitated more than $1 billion in new market cap in 2025. Unmatched reach. The ASMX News distribution service reaches more than 3,200 North American broker-dealers, 20,000 registered investment advisors, 9,000 family offices, and more than 100,000 asset managers worldwide. The ASMX is operated by Steve Mueller, a lawyer with more than 25 years of industry experience, and his team of attorneys, lawyers, paralegals, and investment professionals. At Syndicate Legal Advisory Services, if you're building a company, funding innovation, or seeking your next investment, there's one place where opportunity meets capital: the ASMX. Join the exchange built for the future of finance. Visit www.theasmx.com to get started. The Alternative Securities Market Exchange, ASMX, is a private marketplace operated by Syndicate Legal Advisory Services and is not a registered National Securities Exchange or SEC-registered alternative trading system. This advertisement is for informational purposes only and is not an offer to sell or a solicitation of an offer to buy any security. Debt securities are offered only to verified accredited investors and qualified investors, and only through official offering documents. Investments in private debt securities involve a high degree of risk, including possible loss of principal and limited liquidity. Yields and rates of return are not guaranteed, and any collateral or securitization does not assure repayment. Listing on the ASMX is not an endorsement of any issuer, borrower, or security. Copyright 2026, the ASMX, all rights reserved.